Okay, I had a few people mention to me that they were having issues with overheating in Arch Linux, and this was especially a hot topic for me because I noticed my computer was running a little bit hot as well, namely my laptop that I use to do all these podcasts. And so after sifting around the internet, I did find a solution, and we're going to discuss that solution right now on Spatry's Cup of Linux. Alright, let's begin. First, let's have a look here at the ArchWIKI, and this is on CPU frequency scaling. Now, I've done a little bit of research and I've got a little bit of code to work with so that now I can get my laptop running a little bit cooler than it had been running before. And that's the one thing about Arch. For those of you that are running Arch, you got to make sure that you install everything that you need and make sure that it's configured properly. Alright, well this one doesn't look like it's all that hard. I've got some code here and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to issue some commands to the terminal first. What I need to do is get into superuser by typing su and then my password. Alright, and now that we're in here, we need to install CPU frequency utility. So let's do that. Pacman -S, and that is CPU utils. And then it's going to go ahead and resolve all those dependencies and that sort of thing. Looks like this is the only one. Proceed with the installation. Absolutely. Okay, now let's go ahead and run a modprobe. Power now. -K8. Now, this particular one is for AMD processors. Please view the documentation on the ArchWIKI site because there is information regarding your particular CPU in here. This article is a very good read, so I suggest that you read through this before issuing these commands. Okay, now I'm going to issue another command, and this time I'm just going to copy and paste. Alright, very good. Now we have a device power profile installed. Alright, about 45 minutes has expired since I've issued that code, and upon placing my hand on top of my laptop, I noticed that I no longer have a coffee warmer. It's actually running a lot cooler after issuing that command. Now, my recommendation, though, is to definitely look through the documentation and everything. I'm glad that I was able to find this because now I have a cooler running computer. And now, instead of taking that external fan and blowing it on the computer, now I can turn it around and blow the fan on me to cool off. Yeah! So if you thought this was useful, please comment and subscribe. Google+, Facebook, and Twitter will keep you up to date every time I send a new video up to my channel. I'd like to thank you all for watching and for your continued support. We'll see you next time.